Hey everyone, I just stumbled across an awesome new tool called Domo AI, and I think it might even top Minimax. The results absolutely mind-blowing. So today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use it. Oh, and guess what? It's completely free to use. Well, short up, you start with free credits, but I will get to that in a second. Let's dive in. First, head over to Doma AI app. Once you are there, you will see it's packed with built-in AI tools like turning videos into different styles, animating images into videos, or generating images from text. To get started, I'm using a pre account. If you click on your account, you will see I have got 15 pre credits. What more?
Domo AI's basic plan costs $6.99 per month, offering 500 credits for 500 images or 30 videos in fast mode. With 3 parallel pass lanes and no watermarks, the standard plan at $19.59 per month includes 1500 credits for 1500 images. For power users, the Pro plan at $48.89 per month provides 4000 credits for 4000 images or 267 videos.
Now let's try it out. Go to Quick Apps. Here you will find presents like Anime version 6. Click that and you will see a quick preview. For this demo, I will grab a sample video from their library. Check it out under Showcases. You can download these pre-made ones to play with. I have got one ready. So let's upload it here. Next, we need a prompt. Write an AI video prompt in text. Now settings. The free version locks you at 3 seconds for your first video. Upgraders can go up to 10. I will pick more video for the reference style and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. One catch. With the free account, you will get a watermark. To ditch it, you need to paid plan. Alright, hit generate, it will use up some credits. Looks like one video takes about 5 or so. There is a progress bar which is super handy showing how long it will take. And here is the result. Wow, it turned my video into an anime style clip with the woman. Pretty cool, right? The watermarks there in the bottom left since I'm on the free tier, but with the pro plan, it had be a con. Speaking of the free account, those 15 credits don't reset daily. I think it's monthly. So use them wisely. Domo AI's got tons more like 3D cartoon lip syncing or text to image generation. Check out Jen on the homepage for some sleek image examples. Overall, it's a blast to play with. Give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think. If you are new here, hit subscribe and like this video. It really helps. That's it for now. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.